Alright, you're welcome to another episode. In this video we are going to be working on how to pair two videos together just to make a duet. So I'm going to pick a project, pick one video as you can see, then click on overlay and pick another project. Yes, the video I want to be pairing the first video with. So that's what I'm doing now. So after clicking on overlay and I've added that video, I'm going to resize that video. I'm going to click on each video and resize it till it gets fit together, like it gets together the same size. So that's what I'm doing. You can see it's not the same size, so I'm going to go on and adjust till it's the same size. So that's just how to make a duet with two videos, to make a duet, especially for those using TikTok. So please endeavor to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can see when I post new videos. So after doing that, all you just need to do is to export your videos, and voila, see you in the next one.